Hi, my name's Taylor Martin.
And I'm Megan McGarry.
So collaboration is defined as people working together to achieve a common goal. The four primary purposes of collaboration is to become informed, make decisions, solve problems, and manage projects. Collaboration is important because, as they say, two heads are better than one. You can learn so much from others and can problem solve better when you have more than one viewpoint looking at the same issue. Successful collaboration involves constructive criticism and the avoidance of groupthink. Because groupthink is when the group chooses getting along and agreeing over making the right decision. Groupthink ruins the whole point of collaboration. Information systems allow or make it possible for people to collaborate without being in the same room. Information systems allow them to meet virtually via group chat and video conferencing. Group members do not even need to be in the same room or even the same country to collaborate. Information systems give group members the ability to share files and data. There are many different information systems out there that allow for data sharing. Email is one of the more basic ones and that is used a lot. And then Google Drive is a great way to share data because two or more people can edit the same document at the same time. Microsoft SharePoint and Microsoft Skype are other tools that members can use to collaborate. Amazon actually uses a collaborative information system. A seller that wants to sell through Amazon can access Amazon information system from their computer and have access to all the information the seller may need. Innovation is defined as a new method, idea, or product. The world is constantly evolving, therefore is always a need for new innovation. There is always new expectations on products from customers, and for businesses, innovation can be used to gain a competitive advantage. This could be by creating a new product, or this could be by finding a better, more efficient way of doing things to improve a process in the organization. Collaborative information systems allow members to collaborate and create new innovations. Information systems can be used to see which processes take longest or need work. Those issues may need a new method to make producing quicker, therefore helping the company's competitive advantage. A database management system can be used to see what ideas the company has had in the past and the reason they did not work so they are not wasting time on the same idea again. Amazon uses an information system to create new innovations for their customers. Amazon's information system showed that a majority of their sales were being done on handheld devices, so they created an app, and then they even went to create one-click ordering to make it easier for customers to buy their product.
Okay, so what is work efficiency? Basically, it's it's doing things right. So being able to accomplish something with the least waste of time and effort. And information systems can make businesses way more efficient than they would without them. One thing is that information systems allow for automation. So business processes are able to be accomplished a lot quicker and faster with the automation. It allows employees to spend their time doing other tasks rather than what they would be doing, like going through files or forms, a bunch of paperwork. Information systems allow a lot of less paperless work. And the 5-component model says that automation moves from the human side to the computer side. So basically it's allowing more of the computers to do work that a human would have to do if we didn't have computers. And alarm systems are an example of automation. So they'll call the fire department or the police department automatically if the alarm is set off. And communication within the business is centralized and easily accessible for managers to view the information, which company to be more efficient when everything is in one location. Databases allow for the data to be stored, and it's easily acceptable and updated automatically. And within the communication of the company being done on information systems, it minimizes paperwork, like I said, which allows for less human errors, and also it takes up less space. It moves the space from physically to being at the cloud, for the example. Another reason information systems enable work efficiency, wide area networks, which allow data to be transmitted across networks to anyone that is connected to that network. And with this, people can be in other countries, and they can be on the same network, or just in the other office. So the data that can be transmitted through the network can be publishings like letters and reports, communication like emails or fax, or collaboration, which we've talked about, like video conferencing and groupware. And this saves a lot of time and travel. So instead of companies sending people out to talk with other businesses in China or something from America, they can just do a video conference with them over the same network, which is very efficient for the company. Also, management information systems provide reports in an easily understandable manner that helps management improve their operations quicker and easier than they would if they didn't have the information system. So information systems allow performance reports, expense reports, revenue reports to be automatically made. And an example of a company that uses this would be American Airlines. They use an executive information system, which is more for the CEO, and the CEO receives reports automatically through their information system that they use. Information systems also give businesses a competitive advantages because it makes the business run quicker and easier. So what is work effectiveness? Basically, it's accomplishing a purpose. It's finishing a goal. So you produce the intended or expected result. And whereas work efficiency was doing things right, effectiveness is doing the right thing. They sound similar, and they are, but they're different. So the effectiveness of an information system depends on the abstract thinking of the people who use it. So an information system is only as good as a person using it, basically, and the quality of a person's thinking matters as well. That's what the abstract thinking is. And customer relationship management systems help businesses collect customer feedback to reflect on customer interactions, which is very effective for the business. It accomplishes customer service, and it leads to a loyal customer base, whereas the information system could do a lot through the database, through customer feedbacks and everything. So instead of the customer giving feedback to an employee, it would go on the information system, and the information system would basically do all the work for it. So an example would be Amazon. They use a CRM system, and Amazon keeps all the customers' personal information in one location and then relays that information to make the secure transaction. And in this case, the customer doesn't need to worry about the transaction because everything is done through the CRM system, and they get notified by email when the delivery has been made. So it makes customers happy, and basically customers don't really have to worry about their order as much because the system is so good that they know it'll be shipped to them. They know no excess money is going to be taken from their account. And because of that, Amazon has a very loyal customer base. Management information systems also help track decisions a company implements. They allow management to project the expectations of a certain decision to see if it would be worth actually pursuing or not. And it allows goals to be accomplished with the company's business strategy. And database management systems is a program that helps businesses create, process, and administer a database. So they're very effective in distributing data collections to other distributors or anyone within the supply chain of the company that needs the data, instead of an employee or a manager going through all the data. The database management system does it for them. And so it's very effective for the company in getting the purpose of data distributed to other companies within the supply chain. So an example would be Oracle, which is a database management system. And a lot of companies use Oracle, like Walmart, Best Buy, Target, Home Depot. It's very effective, so that's why a lot of corporations use it. Information systems also ensure that employees have a close interaction to information that helps them succeed at their job. So a lot of companies now are able to let employees view their schedule online or like their pay slips online. And SpartanNash is an example that uses this information system to allow employees to like view their schedule online and their pay stubs as well. Kohl's uses the information system of PeopleSoft, and it allows their employees to view their pay slips, associated discount cards, and a lot of other helpful information.